Hello everybody, and welcome to our basic space claim tutorial. And we'll start off and sketch a quick shape when we open up Space Claim, and we'll click on our rectangle button. So you can see we can click one point to start it, and one point to finish it. Now let's draw a circle. And I want to sketch it from the corner. So I'm going to hover over the corner and click Shift, and see our dimensions grow from the corner. When I get it where I want, I'll click once to start it, and click again to stop it. Now I can exit the sketch by clicking 3D or Pull. And you see we now have a surface. And if I want to pull it out, I can select on one of the sections and then click again to pull it out. Let's pull out our next section as well, and we have our solid. But now let's import a part. And we'll go to our Quick Access toolbar and click Open. So now we're going to see what file we want to import from. And with the data exchange packages, you can import from all these various systems. And we'll open up our doorknob from Inventor. And as it comes in, let's investigate a little bit further and rotate the model by clicking in the middle mouse button and moving our mouse. And to zoom in, we'll hold down Control as we click in the middle mouse button. And to pan, we'll hold Shift down as we click the middle mouse button in and move our mouse. Once we've got our piece where we want it, let's measure some of the different components and click on Measure in our Analysis tab. So we can see some of the different line lengths or see the surface area if we click on a surface. To get to Space Claim options, they're located in the Application menu in the top left of the screen. Inside of our options, you'll see some popular settings for units and grid, some more advanced settings, and also your snap. Now let's make some changes to the model, and we're going to be doing that with Pull and Move. You can see you can have a tooltip when you hover over any of our tools. Or if you want some more help, press F1, and you'll see our context-sensitive help. We have some videos located there, and also you can use our structure tree on the left to search for what you want. But now let's make those changes. And we'll start by moving the hole. And so we can click the hole, and then we'll drag it along the green vector. If we don't like it halfway through, we can click Escape to exit out. But let's move two things at once. And we'll hold Control as we click both components, and now drag them along the green vector. If we don't like the result after that, we can press Ctrl-Z to undo, or go to our Quick Access toolbar and redo or undo there. Now let's use Pull. And I want to select on the bottom surface to extend it slightly, but it's difficult to select on. So I can scroll through the model by rolling my middle mouse button to grab on difficult to reach surfaces or edges. And now I can extend it however far I want to. But let's look at some different pull options, and some are located in our tool guides to the right of the screen, because I want to select on the front, and I'll draft it using the draft tool guide at the bottom. So now I can select on our top surface to say that's the surface I want to draft about, and I'll left click and drag my mouse back or forth until I get the angle I want. Or I can hit spacebar to type in exactly what I want, 15 degrees. I hope this will help you get started in Space Claim. Thank you for watching.